First, we need to take a moment for this absolutely gorgeous packaging. Karma and luck absolutely spoiled me. Let's unbox what they sent. First thing I'm going to show off is the Calm Anchor Taurus necklace. The detailing is stunning. We've got this gold-plated silver and these crystal quartz beads for balancing energy. And we can have varying lengths. Sticking with my horoscope theme, we've got the Patient Progress white enamel Taurus card necklace. The necklace is meant to bring harmony to your spirit, body, and mind. It's 18 karat gold-plated brass, comes in one size 18 inches, and we've got 1mm crystals. Now we've got the Attract and Connect clear quartz necklace for April with an evil eye. The clear quartz is known to have healing properties, and the evil eye is meant to deflect negativity. It's a double chain necklace with a couple size options, and it's 18 karat gold plated silver brass. My ultimate protection necklace came in this absolutely adorable little box. We've got a book on the world of good karma. It breaks down the symbols. I'm not gonna lie, I was super confused why there was a pen, but it's because there is a section to journal in the book. It's the amount of detail that goes into this brand that just blows me away. So last but certainly not least is the Nourishing Love Opal Moonstone Evil Eye Charm necklace. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Evil eye to deflect negativity, moonstone for balance, the Hamza charm, and Ethiopian opal stone for protection. 18 karat gold plated brass with a couple of options for length. Your girl is protected.